Welcome students, my name is Ankit Saxena and today topic is electrostatic. So this is the introductory class. So the first question is, what is the meaning of electrostatics? So in the electrostatic we study the charges at rest. So in electrostatic we study the charges and our charges are at rest. Now the question is, what is charge and how it come on a body? For example, if we have a body, so we have two types of body. Generally we have two types of body. First one is neutral body and second one is a charged body. We know that in a body there is a number of electron and number of proton. If number of electron is equal to number of proton, it means this body is called a neutral body. But if there is a disturbance between number of electron and proton, or you can say that there is a unbalancing or unbalanced number of electron and number of proton, in that case body is said to be a charged body. So what is the body? Body can be neutral body, body can be charged body. If the number of electron on a body is equal to number of proton, such type of body is known as a neutral body. And if there is an unbalancing between the number of electron and number of proton, such body is known as the charged body. So body is of two types. First one is neutral body and second one is a charged body. So charged body is also of the two types, positive charge body or negative charge body. This is a positive charge or negative charge body. So in the positive charge body, the number of electron is less than the number of proton. Such body is known as the positive charge body, and if the number of electron on a body is greater than the number of proton on a body, such body is known as the negative charge body. So this here we classified the body on the basis of charge. In the charge body, if the positive charge body, number of proton is more than the number of electron, and if the body is a negative charge body, then the number of electron is greater than the number of proton. Okay. For example, if I take this body and if one electron from this body is get away, it means such body is known as positive charge body. Because the number of proton is greater than now number of electron. In this condition, when electron leave the body surface, so the body get the positive charge, and this positive charge value is, because body get one electron charge is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. This is the unit of one electron. So one electron value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Because this body is a positive charge body, so we take this value as a positive, plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. In the same way, if this body get one electron, before getting the electron, this body is a neutral body. But when this body gain one electron, now the condition is number of electron is greater than number of proton, and this body is now known as negative charge body. Again, because this body get one electron, so it will get one electron charge, and this one electron charge value is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So, and here we use the negative sign. So this negative sign is that body get the negative charge, and positive sign here is showing that body is get the positive charge. So we use the positive charge or negative charge, but the thing is that the magnitude of one electron charge is same. Okay. Now again I am taking one example, that if this is a body, this is our body and this body is a neutral body. So if any process, if this body will get positive Q charge, the body will get positive Q charge. So this positive q charge is equal to n times of charge on one electron, charge on one electron charge, where n is the integer, and E is our one charge on one electron or one electron charge. So here you can say that the smallest packet of charge is 1 electron charge, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so this is the value of the smallest value of charge. So charge is present in the small packet on a body. So if we want to calculate the total charge, we have to multiply the smallest number of packet into the value of one packet. So we can say that our charge is quantized. So this is the complete process. So right now we have discussed that what is the electrostatic. In the electrostatic we study the charges when the charge is at rest. Okay, so we have the two types of body, neutral body or the charged body. In the neutral body, the number of electron present in the body and number of proton present in the body are equal. But in a charged body, there is a unbalancing between the number of electron and number of proton. If the number of electron is greater than number of proton, such body is known as the negative charge body. And if the number of electron is less than the number of proton, such body is known as the positive charge body. And the value of one electron charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. And here we conclude that charge is always quantized. Okay. Now again I am classifying the body in two types. First one is conducting body and second one is the non-conducting body. And second one is non-conducting body. So what the difference between conducting body and non-conducting body? So conducting body allow the movement of charge, but the non-conducting body does not allow the charge movement, So I am explaining you by taking a suitable example. If we have this body is a neutral body. So what I am doing, if we place plus q charge at a distance of x, if we place plus q charge here and plus q charge here at a distance of x, if this body is conducting body, because we are placing the same nature of charge, so we know that if the charge of the same nature, they always repel each other. If we place two positive charge or two negative charge nearby, these are the same nature of charge, they always repel. On the same way, if we place two opposite nature charge nearby, they always attract each other. So now question is, if we place two positive charge on a body at a distance of x and this body is a conducting body, so there is a force of repulsion will start act between them. Due to this, these two charge get settled at maximum distance. If this body is conducting, so this body will allow the movement of the charge. On the same way, if we place two same nature of charge at the body surface, for example, we place again plus q charge and plus q charge at a distance of x, and this body is non-conducting body. Now this body Now this body will not allow charge movement, will not allow the charge movement. It means where we place the charge will get placed at that place, means charge movement is not allowed. So this is the difference between the conducting body and the non-conducting body. The conducting body will allow the charge movement and the non-conducting body will not allow the charge movement. Okay, now move further. In the JEE exam, so many of the question examiner will not give you that what type of body is in the question, means directly he will not give you that body is conducting or non-conducting, but in the question they will give you a indication. By analyzing that indication you can conclude that body is conducting or non-conducting. For example, if I take a rod and if I said that positive charge are uniformly distributed over that rod, it means the positive charge is distributed uniformly over the rod. Again, if I take one positive q naught charge at a distance of x of this rod, and after taking this charge, again the position of this uniformly distributed positive charge, the position of uniformly distributed positive charge not change. So this is given into a question. That what is the question? I am again telling you that if a rod, a positive charge is uniformly distributed over that rod, and if I take positive q naught charge and place at a distance of x from this rod, and after placing this positive q naught charge, the position of uniformly distributed charge not change. It means this is talking about the rod is a non-conducting body, because if rod is a conducting body, this positive uniformly distributed charge does not maintain on the rod. So by reading the question you will get the hint that in the question the body is conducting or non-conducting. If anyhow you can understand that body is conducting or non-conducting, so for you the question become very easy. Okay, so the next point is charging of a body. Charging of a body means how the body get charged, how the body get positive charge, how the body get negative charge. So the charging of a body, we know that we have two types of body. First one is conducting. What is the conducting body? The body that allow the movement of charge. And second one is non-conducting. What is non-conducting body? The body that does not allow the charge movement. So if we want to charge a conducting body, we have two methods. First one is conduction and second one is induction. And if we have a non-conducting body and if we want to charge this body, we have a method. The name of that method is friction. So we have to discuss one by one what are the conduction, what are the induction, and what is the friction. So here firstly I am taking body is conducting, and what we are doing, we are charging the body. What we are doing, we are charging the body, and for charging of the body we are using the method of conduction. Now what is conduction? In the conduction we make physical contact, between the body. Now I am taking a suitable example so that it will clear to you. For example, this is the body A, and in the starting this body is A body and this body is the neutral body. And what is our aim? Our aim is we want to charge this body with the positive. So we want to charge this body with the positive. Now we are doing, so this body is neutral in the starting, so we just take another body. This body will be positive charge. So this is the body A. In the starting it is neutral, and we are using another body, this is the body B, and this body is positive charge, and we just make a physical contact between them. We just make a physical contact between them. So after making the physical contact between them, the positive charge of this body get transferred on the body A. So positive charge on the body get transferred on the charge on the body A, and after some time we just remove the body B and we get the body A, and now the body A is positive charge. Now the body A is positive charge. So what we did in the conduction? The process is, the body, we take one neutral body according to our requirement, if we want the negative charge or positive charge. Okay, so for this neutral body, if we want to make a positive charge body, we make contact with the another positive charge body. And if we want to make this neutral body as a negative charge body, we have to make the contact of this body with another negative charge body. So in conduction there is a physical contact between the two body. Okay, now again the second one is induction. So in induction, no physical contact is required. No physical contact is required, or in the clear words I just write down, no physical contact between neutral body or any charge body. No physical contact between neutral body or any charge body. Now let's try to understand what is induction, how induction get work. For example, this is a body A, and this body A is a neutral body in the starting. This is the neutral body. So what is the neutral body? The number of electron and number of protons are equal in the neutral body. For let's take, there are total 4 protons and 4 electrons in this body. Okay, so this body is a neutral body. What is our aim? Our aim is to make this body positive charge. Our aim is to make this body positive charge body. So what we did, we take some negative charge. We take or we bring some negative charge at a distance of x from this body. We will bring some negative charge and place this negative charge at a distance of x from this body. And again we make the contact of body A with the contact of body B, and body B is also a neutral body. Body B is also a neutral body. So body B is a neutral body. Again the number of electron or proton in the body B are equal. Let's take total proton in the body B are 5 and total electron in the body B are 5. So body A is also neutral body, body B is also neutral body. And so I think you can understand the question. What is our question? That we have a body A, this body is a neutral body, and we want to charge the body A with the positive. Okay, so what we make the arrangement? Firstly, we take some negative charge and place that negative charge at a distance of x from the body A, and body A make the physical contact with the body B. Okay, and body B is also the neutral body. So what happened? So it is important to us to understand what happened now. Okay, so here it is a negative charge. The negative charge will attract the positive charge. So all the positive charge will get settled here, and negative charge repel the negative charge. So all the negative charge will settled at the maximum distance here, and after some time we just removed body B. We removed body B, and now we get body A is the positive charge body. So here there is one question in your mind, that sir, we make a physical contact between A and B. Yes, we make a physical contact between A and B, but the thing is that the body A is neutral and body B is neutral in the starting. In the case of induction, in the case of conduction, here you can see that the physical contact between a neutral body and a charged body, maybe a negative charge body or positive charge body. So if we want to complete this statement, so here I left some space. Now the complete definition is, we make the physical contact between the body of which type of body, a neutral body or charged body and charged body. But in case of induction, there is no physical contact between any neutral body or the charged body. Okay, so this is the difference. So I think induction is clear to you all. Now one important point you have to keep in your mind, that whatever the charge required on the body, for example here I required the positive charge on the body A, so I place the negative charge at a distance of x. In the same way, if I want the neutral body A is negative charge, so I have to place a positive charge at a distance of x. So whatever the charge required on the body, we just place the opposite nature of charge at a distance of x from that body. So this is the complete phenomena of charging of a conducting body. Now, so conducting body charging is over. Now start the non-conducting body charging. And the non-conducting body, for the non-conducting body, if we want to charge the non-conducting body, we use the method friction. Now what is the friction? For example, we have two neutral body. This is the body A and this is the body B. Body A is a neutral body and body B is also a neutral body. So we just take place a rubbing between two body. We just take place rubbing between these two body. So after rubbing between these two body, what happened? Heat get produced. So the body which have loosely bound outer shell electron, body which has loosely bound outer shell electron get free and transfer to another body by the method of rubbing or by the method of friction. Firstly we have two neutral body, but after rubbing between these two body, one body get positive charge and one body get negative charge, and the charges on the body will depend upon which body will have loosely bound outer shell electron. Okay, now I'm trying to I will clear this by taking one more example. For example, if we have a body A that is neutral in the starting and we make contact it with the body B, body B is also the neutral in the starting. Now question is, what is our aim? Our aim is we want to make body A negative charge. This is our aim. So what is our aim? Our aim is we want to make body A is negative charge. So our selection of the body B is based on that the body B electrons, outer shell electron, should be loosely bound as compared to body A outer shell electron, because if body B outer shell electron are loosely bound, so when they get the heat, this electron get free and the transfer of this electron from the body B to body A will take place, and now the body A is negative charge body. So based on our requirement that body A is negative charge or positive charge, the selection of body we will make. For example, we have make an experiment that when we rub the glass rod with silk, always glass rod will get positive charge and silk will get the negative charge. So this is the experiment, you can do it. If the rubbing takes place between the plastic and fur, So fur will get the positive charge and plastic will get the negative charge. So in the childhood you have make one experiment that you have the comb, this is the comb, you have the comb. When you rub this comb and your hair, then after some times bring this comb to the small pieces of paper, you observe that these small pieces of paper get attracted towards this comb. So when we rub the comb with our hair, the comb is made of plastic, it will get the negative charge, and the small piece of paper are the neutral, so these attract the small pieces of paper. So this is a daily life experiment, you can observe that. So whenever we rub the glass rod with the silk, glass rod will get the positive charge and the silk get the negative charge. Okay, so this is the complete procedure how the charging of a body will take place. Okay, so we have the two types of body. Now I'm concluding this. We have the two types of body, conducting and non-conducting. For the conducting body, what we are doing, for the conducting body we can use the two methods. First one is the induction and second one is the conduction. Okay, and for the non-conducting body we use the method of friction. So this is the all about the lecture 1. This is the introductory lecture. Thank you so much.